Hi friends, I'm Love and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a live cricket score app. So this app, like, it is on Play Store as well. I have uploaded it on Play Store. I would leave the link. So I will just the name of the app is Crick Live Cricket Scores, and it gives the live score of cricket matches. So here it is, and then view on Google Play. So this link I'll leave it in the description. So as you can see, this app, when you will open it, it will firstly show all these matches, and then you can choose match detail or player list or match summary, and then you can see like the match detail here, the score description, everything will be there. And here like the summary will be there, but like that match hadn't started yet. So like this was made post during COVID, so there were no matches at that time when I clicked these pictures going on. So I will show you the app as well. So I'm also going to show you how to make this app, and of course you can publish it on Play Store. It doesn't matter. You can use this app which I made and put it on Play Store. So in this there is like only one permission which we need, and in the what do you call it, Gradle scripts, there's only a few permissions. So let us make a new project right now. Choose empty activity. We are using empty activity, and I'll name it as Crick Live Cricket Live Scores. Okay, and then yeah, it's syncing. So firstly I will show you this one which I have made, like not the app right now, but then like I'll show it. So for this we would need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 screens. We need only Actually, we need only 6 screens. Like I will be showing these like the basic version of it. So yeah. So firstly, let's go here. And now that it's been synced completely, let's go to main app, Android manifest. And here you can add just one permission which is needed, users permission and internet. Next you open both of the Gradle scripts, project and module. Then in the project one, see if there is Google and JCenter in both build script repositories and all project repositories. Then here in the app Gradle script, you will add after constraint layout to implementation Android X dot card view card view 1.1.0. then do implementation Android X dot recycler view recycler view 1.1.0, and then implementation com.android.volley volley 1.1.1, and then you click sync now. So you might be thinking, why did I start doing this? Like I'm starting to make such apps. There's one mistake here. This is 0. Okay, so again what I was saying was, why did I start making these apps? Because we have covered up most of the basics which we need, and now we will, like some databases and other things, we will start doing them like while making the apps. So after this is done, close both of these. Then here in main activity, delete that. Next, what you have to do is go to Google and search crickapi.com. One thing I wanted to say was, like, before doing all of this, I should actually show you the preview of how it looks. So let me actually first run this app. So then you will also know, like, why are we making this app and what result you will get. So while we are waiting, one thing is, okay, the emulator has come up. So here what you can do is, you can just sign up or log in. It's absolutely free. So like I have been logged in, and then you see this member.aspx, just remove that and then come back to the normal Crick API live, crickapi.com. Okay, now it's done. See, you can see right now IPL is going on, so you can see all of these matches over here. And one thing is that it only shows matches like very recently completed, like for example, or which are going on and which are in the future. So you can see here, this is the match detail of it. It's loading a bit. It's a bit loading, like it works. I guess there's something wrong. Then match summary. Yeah, because right now this match is going on like according to time, so it hasn't it has just started. So once it ends, then we will like try it out if it works there. So anyway, so that is how it is supposed to work. We can try with some other one, maybe it will work. It's just, I don't know. You can just wait. I'll just try to find a game in which it is available. Okay, so here you can see Queensland versus New South Wales. So this is how it will come. Firstly, it will show the bowling summary, and then it will show every bowler which has bowled, number of overs that bowler has bowled. Like this is a test match, so that's why you're seeing so many overs bowled. Maidens, economy, and zeros and fours and sixes conceded for every bowler. Then you would see after bowling summary, batting summary, in which every batsman will be there, and then like all the info of it, of both teams, and then it shows the toss winner. Like right now this match has not yet been completed because it's a test match, so yeah, like it's still going on. So that is how our app is going to look like. So now let us go to Crick API. So once you have logged in, you click this start using, and then like here you see this API key. So you're going to do like this, go to crickapi.com slash API slash matches, then question mark API key is equal to, and then you're going to copy this exact same API. Just copy it or use Ctrl C and then click enter. What you should do is you should open JSON viewer for now, and then here like this is all in JSON code, and then you can paste it here, and in viewer you can see all of these matches are there. There are total of 102 matches, and every match has everything like that, every detail which is needed. Next what we are going to do is now we are going to start designing the main activity screen. So here what you do is just for this change this till linear layout, and then go here and just put a recycler view. Yeah, and that's all what you have to do in this in the main activity. Okay, so we have done that designing. Next what you can do is you can just come here and then like make a string, make it private string, and then call it URL which is equal to, then you go to Google and copy the exact URL and then paste it here and then put the semicolon. Next what you are going to do is you are going to make a new Java class which will be called model.java, and then you can make another Java class which will be called myAdapter.java. So this myAdapter will be like the adapter which we used in the list view, but here we'll be using it in a recycler view. Then you go here, like we'll have to make another file. So in layout, click new and do activity, layout resource file, and you can call it row.xml. And then in this what you are going to do is firstly what you are going to do, change this to card view, enter there, then give the ID as @ID card view, then do card use compat padding is true, and then card color, not card color, card background color, and this will be hashtag hashtag FFF. For white you can actually make this any color, it is your choice whichever color you want it. Next we are going to do card corner radius 3 dp and elevation, card elevation do 3 dp. Next inside this we are going to add a table layout. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. Then you are going to do here padding 5 dp, stretch columns 2. So it's going to have 2 columns. And then do table row, you can just close it like this. Here you have to add 2 text views to every table row. So text view, make the text as team1, color as #000. Then you can do width as match parent, height as wrap content, and then you can do layout column 0 and then close it. And then you're going to have another text view. Here it will not have any text, but this will be team1 TV. It's going to be called team1 TV. And then you can just copy these 2 lines and close. So every table row is going to be like the same, but just with a few changes. So just copy it, and remember, paste it inside the closing table layout. Make this team2, TV. And one thing, if you don't see it, then you can just like change it here, and then you'll be able to see both of them. Here next what you are going to do is next is going to be, so this, instead of team1, make this match type and make this match type TV. Then after the table row you can paste it again, and here make this match status, and then you can see what is this is match status. And then finally this is going to be date, and this is going to be date TV. And then like what you can do is here, like in the JSON code, you can see, so date, this is going to be like the date which we will show on the card. This is going to be team1, this is team2, this is match type, and match status is this, match started. And the rest, these rest are like except the unique ID, like all of this we will be seeing in the like inside the match detail, but for the outside, like for us in the match which we will see, we'll only see this, and match started. So what we are going to do is next, now make sure you remember you have put the right name for all of them, so you can just check once. Just check everything's name. So if it's fine, then what you do here is, so here we'll be having like a few private string ID, and then you can have team1, team2, then match, just check which comes first, match type, and match status, and date. So you might be thinking like, why am I putting this here and not like outside the public class? So it is different from the main activity. Like main activity we do it above the on create, but inside the main activity and same we are doing here, but here since there's no onCreate, so make sure you don't get confused and put this statement above public class model. It won't work. Next what you do is public, then model, and then you open it. One thing, make sure remove this public over here. So in model, like here we are going to, like this is going to make a thing. So string, so this is like a function which we are making. So string team1, string team2, then string match type, string match status, and finally string date, and then open the brackets and do this dot id, which means this one is equal to id, which is the one initialized here. Then do this dot you can just do one thing is, well, just like duplicate this 6 times, like 5 times, sorry, and then make this team1, make this as well team1, make this team2, make this team2, then make this match type, match status, and then match status, and then date and date. So that is like this model done, like the function inside the model class. Next you will add here public string get id, and then you are going to do return id, the string on the top, and then you just do the same for everything. Public string get team1 brackets, and then return team1, then public string get team2 brackets, then return team2, then do it again, public string get match type, and do return match type, public string get match status, return match status, and then public string date get date, and then you can do the same thing, return date. So that is all what we'll have in this model class. This model class is like going to be very important for the myAdapter class, which we are going to do next now. And once we complete the myAdapter class, we'll start going into the main activity. So firstly, you have to add one thing here, extends recycler view dot adapter myAdapter dot view holder. Just you can just have that there, and then just like hover until and click implement methods and get all of the methods. Ignore the errors for now. Next, what we are going to do is private list of model, the one which we made, and we can call it model list. Then you can do private context. One thing you should do is just delete all of this. The error will come, but we'll just fix it in a minute. So what you're going to do is, just like model, we are going to do public my adapter list model, and here we are going to call it model list, and then we are going to have a context which is called context, and then we'll do the same thing, which is this dot model list is equal to model list, and then this dot context is equal to context. So what you're going to do is you're going to implement these methods, and then here just remove everywhere where you see the my adapter. And then you can just like do view is equal to layout inflator dot from, do view group here, which is called as parent. So see this one. So if you want to make it simple, just call it view group and then change this to view group as well. Dot get context, then do dot inflate r dot layout dot row. So now it will go there, and then you can do the view group, and then finally put false as the attached to root, and then you can do return new view holder, make it only view holder, and then you can put here view. Then what you are going to do here is return model list dot size and get item count. Then here now we are going to create a view holder like method, which is going to like make all the errors go away. So do public class view holder extends do recycler view dot view holder, and then open the brackets, and then implement all the like it will say to implement the methods. So create constructor like which we have in our main activity. So this view holder will let us connect the card view, which is here, to and then display the data from the API. So here we can do text view, call it team 1, then team 2. sorry, team1 TV, it has to be the exact same so that you don't get confused. Team2 TV, match type TV, match status TV, then finally date TV, and then of course we'll have to connect the card view also. So we'll do card view. And then you do what we will do here is just to find view by ID. We'll do item view dot find view by ID, and then here we'll do r.id dot team1 TV, then team2 TV is equal to item view dot find view by ID, r dot id dot team2 TV, then we'll do match type TV is equal to item view dot find view by ID, r dot id dot match type TV, and we'll do match status TV is equal to item view dot find view by ID, r dot id dot match status TV, then we'll do date TV is equal to item view dot find view by ID, view by ID, r dot id dot date TV, and then finally we'll do card view is equal to find view item view dot find view by ID, r dot id dot card view. So yes, that is done. Now you can see all the errors are gone, and now we are going to do on the main part, which is the on bind view holder method. So here we are going to firstly see which one has been chosen. So what we'll do, final model, like just call it model, is equal to model list dot get at this integer which is called position. So it is like the position which one is chosen. So as you can see here, there are like 102 matches. So then getting position for all of them is not going to, like, you cannot just count them. So that is why this position is there. Then you can do holder, which is from the view holder dot team1 TV, and here we are going to set text model dot get team1, and this is how we are going to do for all of them. Holder dot team2 TV, then we'll have to set text for everything. Model dot get team2, then holder dot match type TV dot set text model dot get match type, then holder dot match status TV dot set text model dot get match status, and then finally holder dot date TV dot set text, and we'll do model dot get date. Next is the one which is of the card view, which is going to, here we are going to do holder dot card view dot set on click listener new view on click listener. So what is going to happen when we will do, like, we'll click it? So we'll do private final string which is called as team1, which is equal to model dot get team1, Then we'll do final string, which is going to be team2, which is model.get team2. Then we'll do final string match type, which is model.get match type. Then final string match status. One sec. So actually you don't really need the match type here, and you don't even need this, but what you do need is one second, you need final string date, which is model.get date, and then finally we'll just need one more, which is the id, final string id, which is equal to model.get id. So now what is going to come is that you will get an alert dialog like I had shown you, and then there will be 3 buttons, which will be match detail, match summary, and players list. So firstly what you are going to do is you are going to make a string array, which is going to be called options, and then make the options as firstly match summary, which is just the basic summary, then player list, and then finally you can have match detail, and then semicolon. And then you are going to do alert dialog dot builder, and just call it builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder. So this view, so that view which I just showed you, view dot get root view, and do dot get context, and then semicolon. Then you are going to do builder dot set title, choose option, so any of the 3, and then you will do builder dot set options, builder dot set items, which is going to be options, and then we'll do new dialog interface dot on click listener, and then you can add the semicolon here. The things inside this we will do next, like later on, because right now we haven't made any like other screens.